It made the boy sad to see the old man come in each day with his skiff empty. He always went down to help him carry either the coiled lines or the gaff and harpoon of the sail that was furled around the mast. The sail was patched with flour sacks and furled. It looked like the flag of permanent defeat. No one would steal from the old man, but it was better to take the sail and the heavy lines home, as the dew was bad for them. And though he was quite sure no local people would steal from him, the old man thought that a gaff and a harpoon were needless temptations to leave in a boat.